This video will explain on how to receive more tokens on your Sonic network. The Sonic token or S token is the native gas token on the Sonic network. And if you bridge through my other video through Stargate, then you should already have a small amount of S tokens in your wallet. That might not be enough, so if you want to get more tokens, just go to Google and type in dbridge like I did here. Select the search result and then simply go to the bridge button on the dbridge website. That does open a new tab, and in this tab, that's where the magic happened. Up top, where it says You Pay, click there, select the Sonic network, and select the token that you want to use for the S tokens. In my case, that would be the bridged USDC. And then in the You Receive field, go to Sonic again and select the S token right there. Then it is simply a matter of selecting how many USDC token you want to swap. You will see the current rate to buy and how many S tokens you get in total. Simply go to Confirm Trade, then select the wallet and do everything that your wallet asks or approve any transactions that come through. And since I already have enough S tokens, I'm not doing that myself in this video, but that is how you can easily transfer the S tokens to your wallet.